Hey, what's up guys? This is Acer Ninja, and today Apple officially released the macOS 26 Beta 1 to registered developers. This year's WWDC was quite different from what we have seen previous years. Right off, they announced that instead of naming OS builds differently for each of the different platforms, they are gonna name everything starting with 26 for a cohesive experience. It starts with a visual change across all devices called liquid glass. It's giving that Windows Vista vibe straight up. According to Apple, it's based on how real glass interacts with light. All the elements have been changed from rectangular displays to rounded screens, which all the devices currently sport. It's an universal redesign across all platforms and somewhat inspired by their Vision Pro. If you watch the keynote, you notice that the new OS has a translucent UI where alerts appear where you tap instead of taking up the whole display. Icons are crafted with this design in mind, and even the dock follows this. After installing the beta, the first thing you can see is the new app drawer. It no longer takes the full screen and appears on top of the currently running software. Other notable features of this update are the 4 new icon and widgets mode, where dark mode, clear and tinted options are now added for Mac. You will be able to adjust this in the appearance settings. It takes a little bit of time to update, of course because it's the first beta. Every app will need to support these icons. As time comes on, they will be supporting it. We also have the new control center, which is a lot more customizable, and the menu bar has been made transparent to make the screen look even bigger. You can see the control center has been completely redesigned. Here, an iOS-like experience of changing controls had been introduced. So you can add to the control center or add to the menu bar directly from here. Developers will be also able to add their own apps in here, and everything seems so nice and clean. Apple also reworked folder structure. There's a new option for customizing folders where you can individually change the color, and there's a boatload of emojis to pick from. This is especially useful for people handling multiple projects at a time. We also have a brand new Games app inside of macOS. It shows all the games you have been playing. You are able to add people right here. It has a more modern design compared to the regular App Store. It's basically a second App Store but for games and with a better UI. With this new update, you can compete with your friends even on single-player games. Single-player games can be turned into engaging and fun competition among friends. Another notable needed update for the macOS is Spotlight Search. Spotlight has been almost unusable for the last couple of years on macOS. People use third-party apps like Rakers to have a workaround. The new redesigned Spotlight is broken down into categories: applications, files, action, and clipboard. The clipboard function allows you to search through things you have copied even once you have moved on, and then pull them out easily to put in somewhere like the Notes app or text. Another feature of Spotlight is Quick Keys. This is built to help you streamline things. For example, to send a message, all I have to do is type SM, it will pull up the command to put the text and the name of the recipient. I need to press enter and the message will be sent. We have some pretty big changes in the Messages application. First off, you can see that the UI is a little bit different. You have automatic translation, and when you select that, you choose what to translate from. It will then download the language and it will start translating anything that's said in another language in real time. We have a new section called Backgrounds. You can select from different message backgrounds. You can either do a custom photo or select the presets. The message background has a live video playing now. We also have summarize notifications carried on from iOS, which uses Apple Intelligence to summarize the content in notifications received. It helps you with viewing them easier at a glance. Do note that Apple warns that this feature can make mistakes as it's still in beta. There's also the option to summarize notifications for individual apps in settings. For example, the options are grouped into news and entertainment, social media apps, and all of the apps combined. Anyways, that's everything inside new macOS Tahoe. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe for more such videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.